Hi, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So what's going on? Bittorrent price will increase in last 3 days, my friend. 10.09% they will get a profit. So definitely it's a very good news for all Bittorrent holder, because remember if the price will increasing, so that's mean to holder are starting holding, holder are starting investing in companies, team are doing very hard work. So therefore the volume is also increasing, my friend, because a holder are starting investing. When a holder are starting investing, absolutely the price will pumps up. And absolutely, my friend, in the start of month every coin were very badly fails down, but Bittorrent condition, absolutely the Bittorrent, so you can see, my friend, this time price is increasing, so that's mean to Bittorrent is very good now, my friend. And I am 100% sure to, if a price will increase like that, so that's 100% clear, my friends, to upcoming time Bittorrent will easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar. Okay, this is possible, my friends. They will hit now 0.1 USD dollar. 100%, my friends, this is possible, but absolutely not possible, because the holders are doing very huge mistake. They cannot, my friends, starting holding. They cannot do, my friends, buying more and more. My friend, in those days some coin were very badly falls down, but absolutely after a short term they will take a very huge jump. So therefore, please be ready for a pump and down. My brother, a Bittorrent price will be increasing if a holder are starting holding, and especially in those days, my friends, the Bittorrent team collaborate with a lot of companies. I think there is a chance for business, they will, my friends, collaborate with more companies, but this is possible, my friend, to, if a holder are starting selling, so the price will also more and more dumps down. So kindly you will be need, my friends, to be ready for risk and get a profit. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming time everything is going good, but kindly, if you want, my friends, to get a profit now, take this risk now. See you next time, holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.